my name is Portia Kimball. I'm a home baker and a custom cake designer, and they call me the Cake Diva. And today, I'm going to show you how to make hearts for cupcakes. You can make hearts for cupcakes in a fast and easy way. I have a small amount of red fondant, and I have a small fondant roller. I'm going to roll out a small amount of fondant. I'm going to take my heart-shaped cookie cutter and press firmly into the fondant. Pull back any excess fondant away from my heart shape. I'm going to pick the heart shape up with my spatula from the surface so it does not lose shape. I'm going to just wiggle underneath, pick up my heart. Any type of phrase that I have around the shape, I'm going to gently press in with my fingers. That'll give us a clean heart. You can do two things with your heart. You can simply just lay it on top, or you can have your heart sticking up on top of the cupcake. Either way, it's going to look great. Again, my name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I demonstrated how to make hearts for your cupcakes. Don't go breaking any hearts.